Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just in the middle of me saying like that's gonna be the first part of this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing I don't know what this is called, try on haul. There we go. I went to Mandees. Mandees is like my one-stop shop. Anytime I'm looking for something cute and affordable, I would go to Mandees. Plus it's down the street from my house, so I can always go. So let's get started. This is my daughter, Janice. She's going to rate my outfits. So on a scale of 1 to 10, you will have to tell me like the outfit. Yeah, like the outfit is good. All right, so we're gonna get started right now. Yeah. Where am I going in this, niece? If you knew how much my legs were shaking trying to stand like this is craziness. Trying to get you.
I like that.
Yeah, so I guess I could wear this to a night out, in and out.
Yeah.
But I would definitely wear a shirt over it or a jacket over it, because this is not, it's a lot.
Yeah,
it's a lot out.
Cute.
So outfit 1. So this is outfit number 2. Let me back up, I'm gonna do my pose.
It looks really fun.
The back is actually out, but you can't really see it. Plus I have a makeshift.
Why do you have that?
Because it's so low and I don't want it to be too low.
Oh.
So yeah, I gotta figure out what the back is, because my back is gonna be all out, so I won't have it exactly like this. But yeah, this is outfit number 2. What do you think?
I would say like
9? Yes. Outfit number. Excuse this huge.
3.
Maybe I should take this off, because I'm keeping the jeans. A big takeaway. 1 second, guys. Outfit number.
Are those low rise?
I think they're like mid-rise. I don't think they're low rise. The bottoms have like the frayed.
Yeah.
They're still cute. The shirt is like lingerie-ish. I can't see anything, so hopefully all of this looks good. Jeans. Hawaiian line jeans. And from Mandees for like $15. Shirt, $20.
That's how I use this shirt for me.
So yes, this outfit is a 8. Outfit number 4. This is just a yellow, what is this called? Bodysuit.
Is it halter?
It's halter. No, it's like a, I don't know what that is. T? Maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, like halter top.
Oh, but it doesn't go around my neck like this.
Yeah, but I think now halter is just like, if it's up. Pretty sure that's what I'm thinking now. I know what you're talking about, but that's not what I'm thinking. Me too, yeah. Pretty sure.
But where do you rate this outfit? I'm probably
like a 7.
7. All right, next. Number 5. Okay, outfit number 5. Red bodysuit. Same jeans.
I like that better. Like
Yeah, this. Yeah, I feel like this one looks better than the last one too. So this is an 8 out of 10.
I want to go get one now.
See, and it's $12.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see those. I saw something like it, but it was
So this this is like a slouchy, chill out kind of day, like fall day football games, right? Like if you're going to football games. That's what this outfit.
Or like a city
day. You could wear it off the shoulder too if you wanted to. Like if it could come down like that. And the back is really cute because it looks like this. So you guys can see that. See the back?
Yeah.
This outfit?
Or
10 out of 10. I knew it. I knew this would be the one. So guys, that completes my try on haul for tonight because it's literally like nighttime right now. And I wanted to say thank you, Janice, for rating my outfits. Clearly this one is the winner, which I already knew would be the winner because I love this freaking shirt. And I forget that you like it too. Plus it's yellow. Yeah. So yellow's her favorite color. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just in the middle of me saying that's gonna be the first part of this. So when's the food coming? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is real life, y'all. The food is coming, okay? Bye.